This video took a little longer to make than usual because my computer was actually broken for a couple of weeks, and then I was sick, and then I had camp, and just a bunch of really crazy stuff happened, but things have finally settled down, thankfully, and my computer is back to normal, so it's finally time to answer some questions. What did you use to edit this video? This video referring to my last video, I used Premiere Pro. I've been using Premiere for a lot of my videos lately. There is still a lot for me to learn about it, and it is a really powerful piece of software. I absolutely love it. For those of you who came to my channel because of my Filmora videos, don't worry, I still really like Filmora, and I do still use it for certain things. Next question, can I be in more of your videos? This one is from Francesca, who is actually sitting right over there, so yes.
Yay!
Are you ever going to make another video on your gaming channel? First, for those of you who don't know, my gaming channel is called Anthony Koonce Games, and I actually don't know what I'm going to do with it. I've been thinking about streaming myself playing Fortnite, the main problem being that I'm like really bad at it, but who knows? It might be fun, so if you're interested, comment down below. I don't know. Related to that, my friend Casey texted me a question, and her question was, do I play Fortnite? And at this point, you already know the answer is yes, and I'm not ashamed of it. What advice would you give to aspiring/struggling YouTubers? Well, if you specifically classify as a struggling YouTuber, there are tons of great YouTube channels out there specifically about how to run YouTube channels, so you really have no excuse. Go check them out and get to work. No matter what happens though, being a YouTuber of any kind is still a worthwhile experience. It's a lot of fun and you do learn a lot of skills. So to answer your question, do your research, have fun, and don't quit. How am I so good at photography/making videos? Well, I've had a camera in my hand since I was like 3, so if I'm 16 now, I can technically say that I have 13 years of experience. What brand do I prefer for shooting video, Nikon or Canon? I can't really answer this question fairly because I've actually never used a Canon camera for video, but I have heard a lot of good things about Canon cameras. I am thinking about saving up for one, so who knows? Can we have more detailed tutorials about photography in the future? Yes, I want to have a variety of tutorials on my channel, and photography is almost definitely something that I will be covering in the future, so keep an eye out and stay subscribed. Why did I start a YouTube channel? I started uploading videos last year, mostly just to have like a small portfolio of my work, but then I realized that if I started uploading on a more frequent basis, I would obviously have a lot more opportunities to practice filmmaking, not to mention the obvious potential for fame and glory, so that's what I did. So far it's been pretty good. Obviously, I've gotten a little bit of attention, which is nice, but most importantly, I've gotten a lot better at making videos, and I definitely plan to continue making them, and hopefully improve a lot more in the future. Most expensive piece of equipment? The most expensive thing in my room right now would probably be my camera, followed by my computer and my phone, probably tied. I don't know, probably. Am I done with my algebra homework yet? That one's from my mom, and no, I am not. What am I most interested in? I'm interested in a lot of things, from playwriting to tech to photography to YouTube and music, but all of the skills you get from those interests come together really nicely under the one single banner of filmmaking, so I'm gonna have to go with that. Will I write you a poem about watermelons? Watermelons are green, watermelons are red, one fell from the sky and hit me on the head, and now I am dead. Watermelons are mean. The end. Well, that about wraps up my first Q&A video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I do apologize if your question didn't make it, but in any case, more videos coming soon. Follow me on Instagram at anthony.koonce, and thank you for watching.